is my great pleasure to welcome you back to another interesting tutorial about the best YouTube setting. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to disable Hover Autoplay on thumbnail when you are trying to watch a YouTube video. Let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. All right, so most time when you log into your YouTube account, whether you log into your YouTube account or you have not logged into your YouTube account, most time when you hover your mouse into a thumbnail of any video, it plays just like this. And as a result of that, this consumes much more browsing data as you might think of. If you take your mouse to another, you see another one play in the background right here. How do you control this and how you can stop this totally from your YouTube account? First thing for, make sure you log into your YouTube account. Having logged into your YouTube account, next thing you need to do is to make sure you come to the top right there, click on your profile icon, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to playback and performance. Then take you right here. Then simply scroll down right here where you see browsing right here. Then here you have video previews. Video previews will play when you hover over thumbnail. Simply turn off this button right here. Your changes we are saved. It's that simple. Once you turn this particular button off, your changes we are saved. So once you turn off this particular button right here, you will no longer preview any thumbnail video again. So if I click a new tab right here and I head over to YouTube again, by the time I'm trying to head over my mouse to any video, you see that these are not play all over. It's that simple. So you can see these are not play. It's that simple. So you can see these are not play, unlike before when it automatically play. And with that, you can control your browsing data. So it's as simple as that. For more best setting tutorial about YouTube like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.